Okay, since today is all about the Astra roof stuff, let's keep on going. We'll give Danielle a shout out because Danielle took the headliner and everything out of this car. It's not real hard to do, but she did it with minimal supervision while Dad was over there building engines. So tomorrow, now that I can shut the roof all the way, we're going to find the water leak. And I have two culprits. The first culprit is that right there. This seal was replaced in 2015. It is a G-body part seal, and I'm not saying anything bad about it. It is, it is the only seal that's available, and we should be thankful that we have it. This car does spend a lot of time outside, and that could be a product of that. The other areas that are notorious for leaking on these cars, and on this car, it's probably going to be the right rear, is the glass. What we'll do tomorrow is I'm going to get her to wash the car, and then we'll put the shower on it and let it rain and see if it comes down in here and goes down on the seat and it spills over the seat and fills up the back footwell, which is what it's been doing. I know it's not the heater box because I did that when I got the car. That was leaking. All right, so look at the Astra roof. We have the drains, we have the replacement motor. Thank you, Mike Dopins. We have more drains, and you have this rubber seal that goes all the way around the side of it, and it goes all the way around the back. So in theory, a sunroof is a water leak. They are designed to leak. You think water would leak from there. I put some butyl there, but that didn't do any good, did it? So maybe this time we'll try some silicone. But gravity is supposed to make it pull there and pull there. So we're just gonna have to water test it. Just like I'm back in my dealership days, water testing it. But I already went through it and painted it, and you see the Dynamat. I already detailed the stuff. So I'm gonna try and change that seal with the glass on the track. I'm not sure that's gonna be possible. Might have to take the whole module out. And then of course you have this nice plastic piece here, which don't look at it, it will break. This car is on its second one. I think this one was maroon and I painted it. Yeah, there's maroon coming back through. Let's go look at the headliner. Okay, so here we have the headliner, which is another thank you for reproducing this part. Whoever did it, I think if it was G-body, whoever, thank you for reproducing this part. When the headliner came out of this car in 2014 or 2015, it crumbled right here. It was no good. So this one's plastic, so the liner is reusable. That doesn't change the fact that the material doesn't last that long. And it's not really the material, it's the backing on the material that turns to caca. So I'll be buying me some more material, and I will recover this one and put this one back in. Because it's so flimsy, it's really easy to change a headliner on a Astra roof turbo Buick. It's actually borderline as easy as a T-top car. So, but it's real flimsy. And see, that's what I'm talking about right there. So I'll get Danielle to strip this off. We'll get some material. Anybody selling the correct material, hit me up. And I will get it taken care of and we'll get it back in there. But first we have to fix the water leak.